Good morning friend. Today we want to start now new chapter, that is area related circle. That is chapter number 12. Area related circle. Area related circle. So before we go through the what is circle. So circle with center with definite radius. Here it is the diameter of a circle. Here it is called arc. A color is called sector. We go through this in this chapter. Here it is called segment. Here it is, if we say AB, AB is a chord. If I will do CD at here, then CD is equal to diameter. If I will write P and Q, so PQ is called arc, that we already in 9th standard. And radius OC, OPQR, OR, so it is radius. So all these things already we have discussed in chapter number 10. In chapter number 10 we go through the definition of it. But now in 12th chapter we go the area and perimeter. Area and perimeter of circle and related term, that is sector, segment. So first we go the definition. What is the meaning of perimeter? What is the meaning of area? Perimeter, another name is called circumference, that we also in this chapter. So now we go through the text, that is area related to circle. Area related to circle. If you will see the figure, these are all the text based figure. So again here will, so it is a circle. Again here it is a design, it is also a circle. Again here it is a circle. Again cake, it is a circle. But if I will make a piece of it, here we can say it is a sector. So we can go the definition of sector also. Again here, so we can find out circle. If we go inside it, we can find out area. Here it is also area. So we want to discuss about the perimeter and area of circle. In perimeter of circle, generally perimeter related with the term is also called circumference. Circumference. So just it's a textual based information. Perimeter and area of circle. Circumference divided by diameter, it is called pi. So generally formula is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference means whenever lateral surface is there, we can say it is perimeter. Perimeter. Lateral surface we can say perimeter, but curved surface we can say circumference. That is why in circle we term the word circumference. So circumference is equal to pi into diameter. Circumference divided by diameter, you will get always pi. So circumference is equal to 2 pi into 2r, that is 2 pi r. Great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta gave approximate value of pi. He stated that pi is equal to 62832 divided by 20,000, which is nearly to 3.1416. That is why value of pi we are taking, that is 3.14. Mostly we have to use 22 by 7. If it is not given, then you have to take 22 by 7. So that is with the circumference. Now we go for area. So there is one circle. We divide into a segments. You may also recall the area of circle is pi r square, where radius R is the radius of the circle. Now how we do it? By cutting the circle into number of sector, and if I rearrange it, then it is like a rectangle. It is a rectangle. So length into breadth. So here breadth, if you will see, every time, that is R. Here it is R. So breadth is equal to R. Here what you will get? That is, if I will start from 1, 2. If you will see that blue color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts are at here. Same 8 parts are also at here. White part. So it is circumference. It is circumference. So 2 times it is. So rectangle of length is half of 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r, because only one is there. Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r divided by 2, we can get only pi r. So length is pi r and breadth is radius. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. So area of circle formula is pi r square. Now we go to exercise, that is 12.1. So before we start exercise 12.1, there is one example which is also helpful to us. So cost of fencing A. So what we have to use? We have to use either A is equal to pi r square and C is equal to 2 pi r. Two things we have to use. So cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is 5280. The field is to be ploughed at a rate of rupees 50 paisa per meter square. Find the cost of ploughing the field. So here fencing cost is there. So if we make a one circle and here it is a fencing, so it is called circumference. So it is circumference. So and rupees 20 per meter means circumference of circle is equal to total cost divided by unit cost, that is 5280 divided by 24. You will get some value. So that is 24 2s are 48, again 48, 24 2s are and 0. So 220 we can get circumference. Now circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 220. So r is equal to 220 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. So we cut here, again we cut. So radius is equal to 35 meter. Now we have to find out area of circle, that is pi r square. So again 22 by 7 into 35 into 35. 35 5s. So 110 into 35. So 3850 meter square. Now costing is what? 50. Now costing is equal to 385 meter square multiplied by 0.5 rupees. It means we have to divide it by 2, that is 1925. That we will get answer. So 3 things we have to find out. Let me see that how it is described properly. So length of the fence in meter, that is total cost divided by unit cost, that is 220. Circumference of is 220. Now we have to find out the radius. So radius r is equal to 35. Now radius 35, after we can find out the area. So 22 by 7, 35, 35, we can get answer here 3850 meter square. Now cost of ploughing 1 meter square is equal to rupees 0.50. So if you multiply, you will get answer 1925 rupees. So that way, when you give the answer, always write answer and in statement form you have to give the answer. So that is example number 1. Now we go for 12.1 exercise. So 12.1 exercise 12.1, unless stated otherwise use pi 22 by 7. So if it is not given, you have to use pi 22 by 7. Radii of two circles that is given. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. So we can say C is equal to C1 plus C2. Now C, that is 2 pi r. Here we can say 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Now 2 pi r, here 2 pi common, that is r1 plus r2. 2 pi cut. R is equal to r1 plus r2. That is r1 and r2 given, that is 19 plus 9, that is 28 centimeter. So radius of circle is 28 centimeter. That way we can get answer. Now which way you have to write? So we have to write radius of first circle, that is 19 centimeter, radius of second circle, that is 9 centimeter, radius of third circle, that is C, is equal to C1 plus C2. That is C, that is radius is R. Now circumference of first circle, that is 2 pi r1, that is 38 pi. Circumference of second circle, that is 18 pi. Third circum, that is 2 pi r. Now if we 2 pi r is equal to 56 pi, this pi cancel. So 2r is equal to 56, r is equal to 28. So earlier, another way of this, C1 plus C2, again 2 pi r, 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Now 2 pi common, so r1 plus r2. That way we can get correct answer. So r is equal to r1 plus r2. That way you will also get 28. So that is only 5 sums are there. First sum I have cleared it. Now second sum. Radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of circle having area equal to the sum of areas of two circles. So here I have to write A is equal to A1 plus A2. Now here formula of A, that is pi r square. Here pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Now pi, if I will make common, pi common, so pi r square is equal to, if I will make pi common, then r1 square plus r2 square, this pi cut. So r2 square, r1, that is r1 is equal to 8 centimeter and r2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So 8 square plus 6 square, that is 64 plus 36, that is 100. So r square is equal to 100. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. So radius of sum of two circle is 10 centimeter. Let me see that we are correct or not. So radius of first circle r1 8 centimeter, radius of second circle r2 6 centimeter, radius of third circle, that is r, first circle, that is 64 pi, second circle, that is 36 pi, and third circle pi r square. Now if we compare it, so area of third circle is equal to area of first circle plus area of second circle. So pi r square is equal to 64 pi plus 36 pi. So pi r square is equal to 100 pi, pi cut. So r square is equal to 100, r is equal to 10 centimeter. Hence the radius of the circle having equal area to sum of areas of two circles is 10 centimeter. So that is question number 2 we have completed. Now we go for easy sum, that is 5. It should be asked in also board exam. So tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of circle are numerically equal, so perimeter is equal to area. Perimeter of circle, that is 2 pi r. Area of circle pi r square. This pi cut. 2r is equal to r into r. This again r cut. So r is equal to 2. So we can get answer 2 units. So answer is 2 unit. Now question number 4. First complete, second complete, fifth complete, now fourth. A wheel of car of diameter 80 cm each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So first of all, we have to find out the circumference of a wheel of car, that is C is equal to 2 pi r. Here diameter is given 80 centimeter. Therefore radius is equal to 40 centimeter. So 2 into 20, we can put pi as it is and pi into 40. So we can get answer 80 pi. That is circumference is 80 pi. Now to find out the revolution, we have to find out the how many revolution. So mostly revolution, if I want to find out revolution, then distance divided by circumference. Revolution is equal to distance divided by circumference. So circumference already we have get 85. Now distance what we get? So speed is equal to distance upon time. Then distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Now speed is what? 66. So 66 km per hour into time, that is 10 minutes. When minute is here, we have to convert over into again minute. So 11 kilometer is distance. So your distance is 11 kilometer. Now 11 kilometer multiplied by 1000 into 100 to convert into meter and then centimeter, and 80 into 22 by 7. So 11 into 1000 into 100 into 7 divided by 80 into 22. You make cancellation like that. 4, 5, 11, 2 za 2, 500, again 4, you will get 125. So 625 into 7, you will get answer 625 into 7. 7 5 is 35, 3, 7 2 is 14, 16, 17, 1. So 4, 3, 7, 5 we can get answer. Now let me check that which way we have to write in exam. So diameter of wheel is 80 centimeter, radius of wheel is 40 centimeter, circumference of the wheel is 2 pi r, that is 2 pi r is equal to 80 pi. Now next, speed of car is 66 km per hour. So distance travel in 10 minutes is 11 into 1000 into 100. So now number of revolution is equal to distance traveled by 10 minutes divided by circumference. So we can get circumference again here 80 pi. Now let me see that. So n into 80 pi is equal to 11 lakh. So 11 lakh multiplied by pi, value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Now if you cancel it, you will get answer 4375. So hence the wheel takes 4375 revolution in 10 minutes. Now important question is third. It is not asked, It is not asked in exam, but it's our duty to understand. In figure, archery target market with its 5 scoring areas from the center outward as a gold. So it is a here center is gold, afterward red. So first here it is G, after we can say R, after we can say blue, then black, then red. So here we describe in form of diameter. So gold diameter is 10.5 because it is given diameter is given 21. Diameter is given 21, so radius equal to 21 by 2, that is 10.5. So first I have to find out the radius of gold, afterward radius of second diameter, that is red, afterward third diameter, that is circle R3, that is first 10.5, second 21, third 31.5, fourth 42, fifth 52.5. Now first area of gold region, first circle pi r square, here r1 is there, so put 10.5. So pi into 10.5, that will get, if you calculate it, 22 by 7 into 121 by 2, I have to put 2 times. 10.5 means 21 by 2. So 7 3s are 2, 11. So 33 into 21 divided by 2. That is 963 something you will get. So same way you can do second circle, third circle, fourth circle and fifth circle. So if I want to find out area of gold, it is easy. But if I want to find out area of red region, then area of second circle minus area of first circle, that is 1039.5 centimeter square. Same area of blue region if I want to find out, then area of third circle minus area of second circle, you will get some value. Same area of black region if I want to find out, then area of fourth circle minus area of third circle. Same area of white region if I want to find, area of fifth circle minus area of fourth circle. So that is exercise 12.1. already we have completed all sums. Now in next lecture we go for only 2 exercises in your board exam. So in next lecture we go for the other 2 topic, that is sector and segment. 2 topic we have to take in the next lecture. So in your fair book anyhow you have to complete exercise 12.1 and example number 1, because it is also in your board exam syllabus. In 70% syllabus, 12.1 question 1, 2, 3 and 4 is included with example 1, 2 and 3.